Hello everyone, I want to show you a solution for the common problem, which is a servo in a V8 left-hand drive model of the e30. So basically we got a nice S62 here, and we're trying to fit the servo for the car, which is very compact. This is a Suzuki Swift. I think it's a 9601 model, very compact servo with a pump complete. Here is a part number for it. It's been moved to the right hand side about 9 centimeters. Yeah, there's a place for the stock servo, which there's no chance to have it fitted, and this has been moved 9 centimeters to the left hand side or right hand side body, so it fits in this place. Then we use the stock metal mount. This mount is stock from the e30. This pedal is from e39 left hand drive, and the clutch pedal can be made from any version basically. So it's nice and tight solution for the pedals. I'll show you how compact it is. Fits the gap between the engine, so I can put a finger in it. Yeah, outputs over there, so no problem to fit the lines, and it fits in the right place. So we don't have to use the pedal box or e34 servo combination of it, which is like pain in us and it's like very big to fit. Also servo, it can be removed from its own place without moving the engine. Basically we have to split it in two parts, separate pump and separate servo, but it's possible to remove it without touching the engine. Having in this tight place, doing the mock-ups and all the tries is very useful thing. So we don't have to move the engine to remove that servo from its own place. Also, a stock fuse box fits almost in the right place. Yeah, basically this corner you have to be trimmed for about half an inch or something, but it fits in the right place. So so it's very good idea in my opinion. Also, if that pump will be too small for your brakes, pretty sure it can be changed for the Vitara model, and which have a bigger brakes as far I know. So there's a few options really to to have an adjustment for bigger brakes or something like that.